Here I have INFINIX Hot 11, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, enable QR code feature, and now you can scan QR codes with camera on your INFINIX Hot. For example, let's scan this QR code. And as you can see, QR code recognized as this page. Let's try to open this page. Let's try to do it once again. Oh. And here we have this page. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.